Hey Albert, hey track fans, how we doing? And welcome to the new track. We've got a great track today, and today we've got a new contender, the Ford GT GT3. God, that's a mouthful. You ready to go? Let's race, guys. Straight down into an R3 corner, long straight into Gambon. This car is fast. Round Chicago corner into semi-drift circle of Bacharach. They are back to back there into the swirly whirly over the top, round into the second R1 corner and up the long straight. Powers around Bentley Bend into Gambon. Got to keep it quite slow because this car has the power like I've never seen, except, well, maybe the Bentley. The Bentley had a lot of power, but this thing, whoa, this thing is fast. Watch this on the straight. Whoa, I nearly stacked it, but it took everything, all the skill in the world to keep that on the track. Here we go. Swirly whirly round, hammerhead and into the R1 corner, up R3. Trying to give you a demo this time of all of the corners in the same track. We've got an R4, an R3, an R2, two R1s. Loads of stuff going on here, Albert and track fans. Anyway, let's do our last lap, guys. Get it round. This car is naturally fast, really light and a little bit drifty, I think. Oh, a bit sticky there. Anyway, trying to give you some commentary on how the car drives. Right, let's take it down. See you next time, Albert, and you track fans. Take care.